Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Keyword tags are identifiers you can assign to selected images to help you organize the images by categorizing them with keywords. Tags create subcategories within an album. Tags are categorized in the form of people, places, events, or any other custom tag category you want to create. Creating additional tag categories is discussed in the next lesson. Tags are created and managed by using the new drop-down menu within the Tags panel. After you assign tags to images in your catalog, you can filter the view of the catalog to display only files associated with a tag by checking the checkbox to the left of the desired tag name within the Tags panel. Photoshop Elements automatically creates tags from the people, places, and events you assign to images, which you can also see within the Tags panel. To create a new tag, ensure the Tags panel is displayed by clicking the Keyword Info button in the taskbar, and then clicking the Tags button at the top of the Keyword Info panel at the right side of the screen. If needed, expand the Keywords section within the panel by clicking the black arrow to the left of the word Keywords in the panel to expand the section and display any existing keywords you have created. You can click this black arrow to both expand and collapse the Keywords section in the panel. To add a new keyword tag, click the New button, which looks like a green plus sign, to the right of the keyword's label within the panel. Alternately, you can click the drop-down arrow at the right side of the button, and then choose the New Keyword Tag command from the drop-down menu that appears. Either way, the Create Keyword Tag dialog box then appears on screen. To use an image saved as a JPEG, bitmap, portable network graphic, or GIF as a custom icon for your new tag, click the Edit Icon button in this dialog box to open the Edit Keyword Tag Icon dialog box. Click the Import button in the dialog box to navigate to the image to use as your icon. Then select the image and click the Open button to return to the Edit Keyword Tag Icon dialog box, where you can click the OK button to add the selected photo as the icon for the new tag. Next, you can select a tag category into which to place the new tag from the Category drop-down. Type a name for the new tag into the Name field, and add any notes about the tag into the Notes field. When finished, click the OK button to create your new tag.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.